The Shell Eco Marathon is basically a worldwide challenge for students to build the most fuel-efficient car, whether it's powered by gasoline, diesel, biofuels, hydrogen fuel cell, electric, or solar. And the Shell Eco Marathon in Houston is actually a series of 3 global events. So the one in Houston that U of A is going to will be attended by over 120 schools across North and South America.
This is a 1 kilowatt hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. It goes about 35 kilometers per hour. We tried to make it out of some bio-friendly materials, so there's some flax and some cellulose and some biodegradable resin in the actual body of the car. Because it's hydrogen fuel cell, there's no emissions. It runs just off hydrogen and makes water. And the point of making this car was to try to make the most fuel-efficient car we possibly could. So it's actually right in the middle of downtown Houston, near the George R. Brown Convention Center. You run about 10 kilometers. Within a maximum time, and you try to use as little fuel as you can. So we could have gone electric or solar cell or fuel cell. We thought fuel cells are interesting. Fuel cells aren't that polished, so by doing things a little bit different, you can actually get market improvements in your performance. And in terms of the materials we use for the body, they were developed right here in Alberta. So we just called around and someone said, "Hey, we already have this thing invented. Do you want some of it to use in your car?" We said, "Sure, that'd be wonderful." Design took about a year, so the team was founded in 2010. So the first year was design, the next year, about half a year, was construction. It's really exciting to see all the other designs. You don't realize that you've been living in a bubble until you go and you see everyone else's interpretation of the rules and the limitations of the competition. So there's a bunch of other teams from Canada we want to get to know.